Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Vizio TV but don't have a remote, you can use the physical buttons on the TV itself. Follow these steps for a manual reset. Step 1. Locate the physical buttons on your Vizio TV. They're usually on the back or side panel, sometimes hidden behind the screen bezel. Step 2. Common button layouts include power, volume up, dots down, and input or channel buttons. Familiarize yourself with their locations before proceeding. Step 3. Make sure your TV is powered on. If not, press the power button on the TV to turn it on first. Step 4. Press and hold the input and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. This initiates a factory reset on most Vizio models. Step 5. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Vizio logo appear on screen or until the TV turns off and on again automatically. Step 6. Release the buttons when the reset process begins. Your TV will restart and display the initial setup screen after completing the reset. Step 7. Wait for the TV to fully restart, which may take 2 to 3 minutes. Don't interrupt the process by unplugging or turning off the TV. Step 8. Complete the initial setup by following the on-screen instructions using the TV buttons, or connect a new remote or smartphone app for easier navigation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.